diversity is actually so much above and beyond gender. Gender is just one strand of diversity. Everything relating to age, occupation, educational status, parental status, marital status, where you've grown up, where you live, what you do, the kind of thoughts that you have, your health condition, everything is a strand of diversity. Everything is what makes you unique and different. So obviously the talk has to rise above just only focusing on gender. But then, hey, the strand of diversity that has actually given the highest return on investment for corporates, it is gender. So if you do, in most cases, whatever you end up doing in the name of gender diversity actually leads to everyone benefiting out of it. When you talk about flex working, it started off as being something that was a career enabler for women. Today, I know that in most companies, almost about 30 to 40% men work flexibly and work from home. And if you look at, even things which you do for persons with disability, for instance, you create a ramp for a person with disability, then what you're actually doing is that you're helping everybody else. You're helping older, members of your organization, you're helping pregnant women, you're helping people who might have a limited disability at some point of time to benefit out of it. That's what gender diversity actually does. It broadens the discussion. But we can get into multiple aspects of diversity, but I think it's a great beginning if we focus on gender and we make sure that we reach the fullest potential, which is at least a 50-50 gender balance as far as gender is concerned.
Yeah. Very valid.